show, I thought I would start with something that was very phenomenal outside of our atmosphere, and this is courtesy of NASA. Yes, we did have a transit of Venus. Last time it happened was 2004, and what happened is Venus, and this is one way of looking at it, certain imagery from NASA, passed right in front of the sun and actually was a speck that moved across the surface of the sun. It happened in 2004, not going to happen again until 2117. So these are images that are going to have to stick with us for a while. You can see here the beginning of the transit over the sun, and then it just moved across the face of the sun. It didn't make it all the way across here. The sun set before it did, but we did get a view in some locations, and Samuel Hartman in Bollesburg took an eerie looking picture of the sun. Yeah, it looks like the moon, but it's the sun with the filter, and there's Venus right over there, and I think this shot was great. Now, Tom Smith was with a lot of folks that you'll hear about coming up at the Blair County Convention Center. The Starlight Astronomy Club had a public watching of this, and right here, that's Venus right there. And then if you look really closely, you're going to see a couple of other dark specks, and you're going to say, oh, what's the difference between that? Well, those are sunspots. Those are actually disturbances on the sun where it's a little bit cooler. In the grand scheme of things, these dark spots are really light, but they're actually just cooler in temperature, and they seem dark compared to the rest of the surface of the sun because the sun is more active. But Venus and some sunspots. And
well, as you were just telling us, Joe, Venus, that's right, Venus traveled all the way across the sun today, and people all over the world could watch it right here, even in Blair County.
Right in front of the sun.
That is so cool. Our photojournalist, Brian Schoenfeld, has more.
These amateur astronomers gathered in the parking lot of the Blair County Convention Center Tuesday to watch something pretty unique.
It's called the transit of Venus. It's actually Venus is going to cross in front of the sun.
Clouds almost spoiled it, but members of the Starlight Astronomy Club were patient. And then...
Oh, it's awesome.
We got it. Just make sure it's still.
It's really a great opportunity for the club to show the general public what astronomy is about.
We're only part of a very large thing. When we take a look at how very, very tiny we are compared to the solar system that we live in or the Milky Way galaxy that we're part of.
Tom Kasner is club president. He spent most of his time helping others see something that won't happen again for a very long time.
It's 2117. Okay. Mark your calendars.
Young and old use special telescopes and welder's glass to watch it.
I like space a lot. There's a lot of fun things to know about it.
You can't imagine how massive the sun is until you see a small shadow passing over the sun. It's amazing. It really is. And I'm thrilled to have seen it.
But Kasner cautions, see it safely.
If you get in between the eyepiece and the telescope, you can burn a hole in a billfold in less than a second, and your eye would be gone faster than that.
These folks probably won't have to worry about safety the next time Venus crosses the sun. Won't happen again for 105 years. You think you'll be around then?
And we may not make it then.
Yes.
We're not sure.
Brian Schoenfeld, WTAJ News.
That was cool. Thanks, Brian. For more information on the Starlight Astronomy Club and to how to join, head to our website, wearecentralpa.